OS NGD API Tiles is a new vector tile service that allows you to create a customizable base map directly from the OS National Geographic Database. This video will show you how to use the API. Once you're logged in, you can access the OS NGD API Tiles alongside other OS APIs from the OS Data Hub's API dashboard. You can add a new project by clicking on My Projects and then the Create a New Project button. You'll need to give your project a name. Click Add and you can search or scroll to find the OS NGD Tiles API. This API gives direct access to the very latest information from the OS National Geographic Database and can be combined with the OS NGD API features. You can find out more about the APIs by clicking these links to access documentation. Click Add to Project and press Done to access your project page, which will now feature all the different types of API keys. You can copy the endpoint address to use the API in GIS software or web development tools, or you can explore the API straight away by using our code examples. Just paste your key into the code playground at labs.os.uk. You can copy and paste this example code into your own environment and build on it, personalizing and adding your own data. For more information, visit the OS Data Hub support pages.